of there. You can hear the burst pedal come back on the very end too. And a little bit of fire, so our fire crew will go up there and put that to work right quick. Tough right there for me.
Hampton Hooker. Just did not sound right coming down there. Knew something wasn't right. He stayed in it right to the end.
Hello, tractor enthusiasts. Tractors are captivating machines with incredible power. But do you really understand them in detail? Leave a click to subscribe, and let's dive into the world of tractors together. As the tractor pulling contest reached its peak, a shocking mishap stole the spotlight. The loaded deer lost a tire mid-pull, leaving the crowd in awe. Flashback to Roskill, 2009. The crowd watched in awe as a powerful tractor suddenly reared up, slamming back down with enough force to shatter windows and send a tire flying.
Tire going down. Yes, let's go hit it now. Let's eat the heat.
The battle for the title of the most powerful tractor is heating up as the two contenders go head-to-head. It looks like we might have a winner in this epic showdown. Oh no! It looks like this tractor decided to take a refreshing dip to cool off, and it seems like it succeeded in its mission. Check out the Kirovets K700, a powerful Russian tractor known for its impressive strength, but not without its mishaps. Watch as this beast tackles logs. You've got a solid clutch setup, but adding 2 or 4 weights to the front of the tractor could really help improve stability and handling. The BT Gold Power 260 has a powerful 26 horsepower engine and a 2-wheel drive 2WD system for stability and traction, making it versatile for various tasks. A man fought to move a timber-loaded truck on a snowy road, his tractor slipping as he pushed forward inch by inch.
There you go, come on.
Always reverse the tractor to push the timber truck. Pulling it forward risks tipping the tractor backward. Prioritize safety.
Oops. Brake isn't holding much. Come on, get up there. Come on, keep coming. There you go. Oh. Yeah, there you go. It's about time.
Up there.
It's not much fun. I got it here and shut off.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll stay there.
Deutsche bremst gar nicht.
The new Deutz tractor is currently undergoing testing, but it has already faced a significant setback with a broken front axle. The Russian Kirovets K700 is known for its impressive power and unique design, making it a standout in the world of heavy machinery.
Full gas på 10. Det här går ju kanon.
På bakhjulen. Ganska galant, ja. Och så där, ja. Det är inte så ovanligt. Och då behöver vi en... Titta på draghöjden också på det, så...
He was plowing with a John Deere 4430 tractor paired with an International 720 plow when he briefly got stuck but quickly regained traction and continued. A good husband. He bought a great car for his wife because at least he won't have to pay the body shop forever. Check out this garden tractor pulling fail. When the engine started pushing too hard, the whole rig turned into a smoky spectacle that had the crowd on their feet. Normally, a Detroit is kind of the last engine you choose for torque. Lug them down and they're done. Whatever this guy has done to this one makes it able to wind up under load. Tractor rollovers can happen on hills due to uneven terrain, speed, or improper loading. Rollover protective structures, ROPS, protect drivers by preventing crushing injuries in a rollover.
Limited the roll the tractor and create a protective zone for the operator, and the operator stayed inside.
Hitch to the top for better traction as it applies pressure to the rear axle. Use a hitch, not a lift, and add weight to the front. It seems that crop yields this season may be lower than expected. The rivalry between the 5911 and Sonalika tractors is intense. The 5911 is known for its torque and reliability, while Sonalika boasts powerful pulling strength. Which one do you prefer? Comment below.
Gonna go eventually.
A stuck tractor can be challenging, especially in deep mud. The driver may rock it, shift gears, or use a winch, and sometimes calling for help is necessary.
Yeah! Finally!
Pulling a tractor by the ears, it sank deep in arable land. The heavy plowing equipment made it impossible for the tractor to get out.
Oh man! Are you making a video?
With a thrilling roar, he powered the tractor forward, lifting the front wheels into the air in a bold display of skill and strength.
What the hell?
You will do many more generals. You need to know how to use the machine and not break it. A John Deere 9470R with a 90-foot planter can get stuck in wet or muddy soil, requiring the driver to rock the tractor or use a winch for recovery. At the Erie County Fair on August 18, 2012, Logan's Toy experienced a catastrophic engine failure, shocking the crowd as the engine blew apart in a dramatic scene they won't forget.
Doesn't sound too good.
He totally split the block.
We got a tow tractor on the way, so it doesn't look 4 feet, .51.
They laughed and said that one guy was driving the tractor like he was about to win something. The T16 tractor sliding on snow illustrates the difficulties of operating heavy machinery in winter, as snow creates slippery surfaces that hinder traction. Logging in mud with a 525 cat grapple can be tricky, as soft ground affects traction. Operators must be cautious to avoid getting stuck or tipping over. The K701 tractor rescues a T130 bulldozer, showcasing its power and reliability in challenging conditions, making it invaluable in forestry and construction. A fierce showdown between two powerful tractors unfolded, their engines roaring. The intense competition has finally revealed a victor. Witness the strength and capabilities of the IMT 558 as it tackles challenges head-on, proving itself to be an essential tool for any operation. Witness the IMT 558's strength as it tackles challenges, proving to be an essential tool for any operation. The snowplow was diligently working when it encountered a malfunction, halting operations, an issue that can arise in harsh winter conditions. A John Deere tractor sliding on wet or icy ground needs proper tire pressure, good tires, and controlled speed. Starting an IMT 539 in cold weather is challenging. Preheating the engine or using winter fuel can help. The IMT 589 tractor is robust and efficient for heavy-duty tasks like forestry, with a durable build and engine for rough terrain and heavy loads. If you are using a wrong trolley, then there is less pressure on the rear tires of the tractor, so the slip has come out more. A case tractor stuck in mud may need a tow or winch to safely pull it out without damage. The T40 Belarus tractor is a rugged, versatile machine, ideal for forestry, navigating narrow paths and hauling logs in challenging terrain. The STX 450 tractor getting stuck in mud can be a frustrating situation for operators.
Come on, buddy.
The Massey Ferguson 260 tractor pulling a sugarcane trolley demonstrates its strength and reliability, making it ideal for farmers with demanding loads. MTZ tractors are known for their robust construction and versatility in agricultural applications. When a tractor fails while snow plowing, it can cause frustration from getting stuck. The K700A with a BDM 4x4 offers impressive speed, demonstrating the power of machinery for efficient agricultural and forestry operations.
Я говорю, не взять. Давай, 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 давай.
That's funny. It seems like a tractor was damaged due to a mishap from someone's mistake.
Ой, блядь, до трактора пошли.
Oh, it seems that the engine of this tractor roars to life with impressive power upon startup. Our video has come to an end. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. We look forward to seeing you in our future videos.